The Wipro Wi-Fi Smart LED bulb comes with 16 million colors and shades of white. This smart bulb comes in mushroom-shaped lamp with B22 and E27 bases. This bulb comes in two wattages, 9 watts and 12 watts. This Wipro smart bulb is Wi-Fi enabled and is certified to work with Alexa. It is also compatible with Google Assistant. Transform your room to all kinds of themes such as reading, night, meeting, leisure, soft by changing brightness and colors between shades of white and 16 million colors. Download the Wipro Next Smart Home app from the Apple Store or Google Play Store to enjoy all the features. Connect your smart bulb to Amazon Alexa app to enable voice control using Alexa. You can control your light from anywhere with the Wipro Next Smart app. Light up your home remotely even when you're on a holiday for better security. Create your own scene or schedule light, whether at home or away. You can create a group of all Wipro Smart lights and operate it together. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. This product is eligible for 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.